Hey, good morning to you. Hi. Say hi, Mommy. Hi, Mama. Smile. Say good morning. Hi. What are you looking at? Gracie. Hi. Hi, Gracie. Yes. Hi, baby. Hi, Gracie. Where you going? Hi. Say hi, Mama. Say hi, Mommy. Hi. Hi, happy squeaky baby. Oh, big yawn. Hi. Hi. What are you doing? Yay! There's the happy baby. Hi, happy cutie pie. Yay! You're so happy. You're so happy. Yay! What a happy little boy. I love you. You're so cute. Oh, goodness, that's a big yawn. Hi, happy. Yay! You're trying to tell me a story. You're trying to tell me something. Oh, yeah?